You think you're good at trading, huh? You think just because you can draw a few stupid lines on a fucking chart, you're some kind of genius now. Wake the fuck up, man. Technical analysis. Sure, it looks pretty. Your fucking moving averages, your RSI, your MACD, your Fibonacci retracements, blah, blah, blah. What the hell do you think this is? Fucking kindergarten art class. You know what? You're not a trader. You're a clown. A goddamn clown dancing for pennies, jerking off to colorful charts while the real money slips through your fucking fingers. Listen carefully, because I'm not going to repeat this shit twice. If you think technical analysis alone makes you a professional trader, you're a certified grade A, first-class, world-renowned dumbass. Yeah, I said it. And you fucking deserve to hear it. You don't even try to understand fundamental analysis, do you? You don't give a single shit about what's happening in the real world. You don't care about interest rates, inflation, central banks, economic data releases. You don't even know when NFP is. Holy fucking shit, man. You're trading like a blind rat high on crack cocaine, thinking that lines and candles are all you need to predict the future. What the fuck are you predicting, moron? You don't know shit about the world. You don't know shit about the forces moving the markets. Trading is war, motherfucker. It's not some Disney movie where you wave a magic wand and the pips rain down from the sky. It's blood, it's sweat, it's fear, it's pain, it's patience. It's sitting through boring-ass reports you don't even understand yet because you're too fucking lazy to learn. You think support and resistance is enough to make you rich. You think trend lines are going to pay your fucking bills. You think drawing fucking triangles on a chart makes you Warren fucking Buffett? No, motherfucker. You're nothing but a dumb monkey slapping charts. Until you pull your head out of your ass and realize that trading is half technical, half fundamental, and 100% psychological, you're never gonna make it. Never. I don't care how fancy your charts look. I don't care how clean your fucking setups are. You're a loser until you fix your brain, fix your understanding, and stop acting like a goddamn moron. TRAXING ain't here to pat your ass and tell you, oh, you're doing great, buddy. TRAXING is here to slap you across the face with the truth. Because if we don't, the market sure as fuck will. And guess what? The market hits 1,000,000 times harder than my words ever will. So sit the fuck down, shut the fuck up, and start listening. Because right now, you're not a trader, you're not a student, you're not even a fucking beginner. You're a clown spinning around in your own little circus of stupidity. You want to know if you're a real trader or just another pathetic loser? Here's the test, bitch. Can you wake up every single day, check the news, study the market sentiment, and actually give a damn about what's happening in the world? Or are you just sitting there jerking yourself off to your beautiful little chart patterns, pretending you're a fucking market wizard? Let me break it to you, raw and dirty. If you can't explain why the dollar is strong or weak today, you're not a trader. If you can't tell me why gold is moving like a fucking crackhead on a Friday night, you're not a trader. If you don't even know which fucking central bank meeting is happening this week, you're not even qualified to wipe a real trader's ass. You can memorize all the technical shit you want. Trend lines, double tops, head and shoulders, fucking harmonic patterns, all that fancy crap. Guess what? All that shit means nothing if you don't understand the bigger picture, dumb fuck. The market is not your little bitch. The market is a monster. It eats overconfident, ignorant little pricks like you for fucking breakfast, lunch, dinner, and midnight snacks. And trust me, it's always fucking hungry. You think you're gonna beat it just because you watched a 10-minute YouTube video about the perfect Forex strategy? Ha! Get the fuck out of here. You are not learning trading. You are collecting garbage techniques like a homeless crackhead collects empty cans. Pathetic. Absolutely fucking pathetic. You know what a real trader does. A real trader spends hours reading reports, studying the economic calendar, following central banks, listening to boring-ass press conferences that make you want to shove a screwdriver in your ear. Yeah, it's boring. It's ugly. It's painful. But that's how the big boys play this game. Not by drawing cute fucking arrows and hoping for a miracle. You're not a trader because you learned how to draw support and resistance. You're a trader when you can sit in front of your screen, Look at the technicals, look at the fundamentals, feel the market sentiment and say, yeah, motherfucker, I know exactly what's happening and why it's happening. Not hope, not guess. No. But no, you don't want to do that, do you? You want to stay lazy, dumb, ignorant, thinking that the universe owes you pips because you watched a fucking trading course for 3 hours last night. You want success without sacrifice, reward without knowledge, profit without pain. Well, guess what? You little shit. Trading will tear your asshole open and spit you out like yesterday's trash. And it won't even blink doing it. You will cry. You will rage. You will curse the market, call it manipulated, call it unfair. But deep down, you know the truth. You are just fucking stupid. You didn't do the work. You didn't respect the game. You didn't earn your place at the table. So you got kicked out, like the dumb, broke, whining little bitch you are. And guess what? Nobody gives a fuck. The market doesn't give a fuck. Other traders don't give a fuck. TRAXING sure as hell doesn't give a fuck about your tears. This is reality, motherfucker. This is the battlefield. And only the strong, the prepared, the relentless motherfuckers survive here. You think trading is hard? Good. It's supposed to be fucking hard. If it was easy, your dumb ass would be rich already, right? But look at you. Still broke, still confused, still blaming the market and the news and manipulation, still pretending that if you just get one more indicator, you'll suddenly become a trading god overnight. Fucking pathetic. You are not special. You are not talented. You are not destined for greatness just because you want it real bad. The market doesn't give a single, solitary, microscopic fuck about your dreams. It only rewards those who respect it, those who work for it, those who sacrifice for it, those who bleed for it. So if you're too much of a lazy, entitled little pussy to study fundamentals, to understand monetary policy, to learn what inflation reports mean, to track economic indicators, to follow geopolitical news, then guess what, motherfucker? Stay broke, stay stupid, stay fucking lost, because that's where you belong. You want to trade like a pro? You want to be a killer in the market? Then stop acting like a fucking toddler screaming for candy. Get your ass up, study, learn, grow a pair, eat the boring shit, digest the ugly truths, do the real fucking work. Otherwise, shut the fuck up and stop wasting everybody's time. Because nobody's coming to save you, bitch. And don't you dare cry when you blow your account again. Don't you dare whine on Instagram about how hard trading is. Because the truth is, you were never serious in the first place. You were just jerking yourself off with dreams of Lamborghinis and yachts while refusing to put in even 10% of the fucking work needed to make it real. Fucking clown. You think you're suffering now. Wait until you're 5 years deep, still broke, still blaming indicators, still too dumb to understand why the fuck EUR-USD moved against your trade because you didn't even know there was a fucking ECB announcement that day. That's your future. And you fucking deserve it. Unless you grow the fuck up. Unless you start thinking like a real trader. Unless you stop chasing shiny objects and start mastering the ugly, gritty, boring side of trading. You think psychology doesn't matter. You think you can outsmart the market with pure analysis. What a dumb fucking joke. The market doesn't move based on your little drawing exercises. It moves because of fear, greed, uncertainty, fucking chaos in the global economy. It moves because people move it. Because the real money, the big institutions, the motherfucking whales, they move it. And if you don't understand their game, if you don't understand how the world thinks, how the herd reacts, how emotions swing prices, then you're not a trader. You're a delusional dipshit chasing fairy tales. TRAXING is not here to sugarcoat this shit for you. TRAXING is here to grab you by your stupid fucking neck, smash your face into reality, and scream, wake the fuck up. Because that's what it takes. That's what survival in this savage fucking market demands. You think I'm being too harsh, too fucking bad. Reality doesn't give a fuck about your feelings. And neither should you if you want to fucking make it. Every candle you see on the chart, every price move, every spike, every crash, it's blood in the water, bitch. It's sharks feeding time. And if you step into that water, unprepared, clueless, lazy, arrogant, you're not gonna survive. You're gonna get ripped the fuck apart, and nobody will even remember your dumb ass. TRAXING is giving you the map, but you gotta walk the road. You gotta suffer. You gotta bleed. You gotta fucking earn your place. No shortcuts, no magic systems, no fairy tale endings, only pain, only work, only fucking domination. So stop being a little bitch, stop thinking you're special, and start acting like a real fucking trader. Because until you do, you will stay broke, stay lost, stay fucking miserable, and you will deserve every single second of that misery.